Hello everyone, welcome back to IntelliSkills. In this video we have another question which is extremely interesting yet confusing, but at the same time it is very tricky and you're gonna love it. You must try this question. We have a lot of videos like this in our channel, and these type of questions come in the interviews when you appear for the written tests. So please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you are new or if you haven't yet done it. So with this note, let us begin with the question. So the question goes like this. There is a parent class which has a parent constructor, and the parent constructor has a print statement which prints parent constructor, and it also calls the print method that is written alongside. The print method prints parent print. Now we have a child class which extends the parent class, okay, and it has int x equal to 10. It has also the child constructor which prints child constructor x equal to the value of x. And it also has the print method which is the overridden print method of the parent class, okay, and it prints child print x equal to the value of x, okay. Then in the main method we create a new object of the child class. This is the question. Now there are three options. Let me read it out. Option A, parent constructor child print x equal to 10, child constructor x equal to 10. Then we have option B, which prints parent constructor child print x equal to 0, child constructor x equal to 10. Then we have option C, which prints parent constructor parent print child constructor x equal to 10. Okay, these are the options. Now I want you to pause the video, analyze the question, find out the correct answer, and then you can resume the video and see to the solution. Okay. Okay, so the correct option is option B, parent constructor child print x equal to 0 and child constructor x equal to 10. Okay, so let me tell you why is this the correct answer. Now let me tell you the execution flow. We have created a new object of the child class, okay. Now it will go to the child class, it will go to the child constructor. Now in the first line of the child constructor, the superclass constructor, that is the parent constructor, is called, which is hidden here, okay. So it will go to the parent constructor, and in the parent constructor what it will do, first it will print parent constructor. Now it will call the print method. What do you think? Which print method will it call? The print method of the parent class or the print method of the child class? Most of you will think it will call the print method of the parent class, but no, it will not call this print method. It will call this print method of the child class because the child class has overridden the print method of the parent class, right? So it will call that overridden method of the child class, okay. Now it will print child print x equal to the value of x. Now the value of x is still 0 now, not 10, because the value of x is not initialized yet. I'll show you in a few minutes how this works through debugging the code, but now just remember that it has not been initialized yet, because from this line over here it is directly coming to this particular print method of the child class. This line is not yet executed, right? So as this line is not yet executed, x's value is still 0 now. The default value of integers is 0, as we know. So yeah, as it has not been initialized yet, it is still 0. So it will print child print x equal to 0. Now it will again go back to this line where it finishes with the execution of the parent constructor. Now as it is completely done with the execution of the parent constructor, it will come to the child class, okay. Now it will execute first this line. So x's value becomes 10 now, right? Now it will come to the child constructor. Now in the child constructor it will print child constructor x is equal to, now x's value is 10 because it has executed that line. So it will print child constructor x equal to 10. Hope you got it. Let us run the program once to cross check our result. Yes, you can see it indeed prints parent constructor child print x equal to 0, child constructor x equal to 10, which is our option number B. Now let us debug our code. You can see I have set all the debug points. Let us debug our code. Okay, so first the new object is created, so it will go to the child constructor. Now in the first line of the child constructor, the superclass constructor is called, which is hidden here, and it will go to the parent constructor. Okay, it goes to the parent constructor, then it will come to this line. It will execute this line and it prints parent constructor in the console, as you can see. Now it will execute the print method. It will call the print method. Now it will not call this print method which we have written in the parent class. It will call the print method of the child class. You can see like this. It will come to the print method of the child class. Now what I'm trying to tell is, as you can see, the line was over here at first. Okay. Now it has directly jumped to the print method of the child class. So this particular line is not yet executed. So x's value is still 0 now. Okay. So when you execute this print method of the child class, it will print child print x equal to 0. You can see it appears like this in the console. It will now go to the parent constructor. As it has done with the execution of the parent constructor, now it will go to the child class. Now in the child class, this line will be executed now, int x equal to 10. Now x's value becomes 10. Now it will execute the child constructor. Okay. Now child constructor, it will print child constructor x equal to 10. Child constructor x equal to 10. And this is our final result. So I have showed you by debugging as well. Hope you understood. If you have still any doubts, do clear them in the comments. Tell us if you have any doubts, like I'll be happy to clear them out. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep exploring. Thank you and bye-bye.